Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of vacuuming and mopping, or if you just want a cleaner home with way less effort, you're in the right place. Today we're diving deep into the top robot vacuums of 2025. We've tested, compared, and narrowed it down to the top performing models that can sweep, mop, self-empty, and even avoid your dog's surprises. Whether you've got pets, kids, a mix of carpets and hard floors, or just want a smart assistant to do the dirty work, we've got the perfect pick for you. Let's kick things off with a robot that does literally everything. Roborock S8 Max V Ultra. This one's the king of robot vacuums right now. The Roborock S8 Max V Ultra combines powerful vacuuming, advanced mopping, and a next-level base station into one sleek unit. You get dual rubber brushes that tackle everything from fine dust to long pet hair, and a mop that lifts automatically when it detects carpets, so no wet rugs. Plus, its AI obstacle avoidance system isn't just good, it's smart enough to identify objects like charging cables, socks, and even pet waste, and steer around them. But the real game changer? The fully autonomous base station. It empties the dustbin, refills the water tank, washes and dries the mop with hot air. You barely need to touch this thing for weeks. If you're looking for a hands-off, all-in-one solution, this is it. Roomba Combo J9 Plus iRobot has been in the game for years, and the Combo J9 Plus is their smartest robot yet. Its camera-based navigation system, paired with AI, can recognize over 80 common household items, shoes, cords, furniture legs, and avoid them with precision. What really makes this one stand out is its fully retractable mop system. When it detects carpet, the mop lifts completely onto the top of the robot, keeping your rugs dry and spotless. Its clean base handles automatic dirt disposal and even stores mop cleaning fluid. It's designed for people who want a high-end vacuum that does most of the thinking for you. Busy families, pet owners, and tech lovers will really appreciate what this vacuum can do. Dream L20 Ultra. If mopping is your main concern, the Dream L20 Ultra is the one to watch. It's packed with innovation, including a feature called Mop Extend that lets the mop pads reach right into edges and corners where most vacuums fail. It offers 7,000 pascals of suction power, one of the strongest on the market, and the mop system is smart enough to detect different floor types and adjust pressure accordingly. The base station is no slouch either. It cleans, dries, and refills automatically. You even get voice alerts and detailed app controls for scheduling, zone cleaning, and mop-only options. If you want a robot that actually scrubs your floors properly, this one delivers top-tier performance. Ecovacs Dbot T30. Omni looking for something quiet, smart, and stylish? Meet the Ecovacs Dbot T30 Omni, a sleek, whisper-quiet robot with powerful cleaning features and great navigation. It's slim enough to slide under beds and couches, and yet it still delivers deep cleaning on carpets and hard floors alike. What we loved most? The noise level. You can run this robot while you work, nap, or even during movie night. It's that quiet. Its mapping system uses LiDAR navigation, creating accurate room maps in minutes. The station cleans and dries the mop, and you barely need to lift a finger. It's a fantastic choice for apartments, open floor plans, or anyone who prefers a peaceful, unobtrusive robot. Dream X40 Ultra. Got a big home or a multi-level layout? The Dream X40 Ultra is built to handle it all. With powerful suction, automatic mop lifting, and an intelligent docking station that refills, washes, and dries the mop, this robot thrives in large, busy households. It even supports multi-floor mapping and has top-notch obstacle avoidance. Whether you're cleaning up after pets, kids, or weekend parties, the Dream X40 Ultra is up for the job. And that's our roundup of the top robot vacuums of 2025. From smart navigation to full self-cleaning stations, robot vacuums have truly evolved into full-blown home assistants. Which one's your top pick? Let us know down in the comments. We'd love to hear what you're using or planning to buy. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future reviews, comparisons, and smart home tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one, and happy cleaning.